In today's video, I'm going to teach you Monday versus ClickUp project management comparison. We'll walk through both platforms side by side so you can see exactly how they look and feel, starting right from the browser. First, open your preferred browser. In the address bar, type clickup.com and press enter. When the page loads, click Login and enter your account details to access your workspace. Once you're in, leave this tab open. We'll come back to it in a moment. Next, open a new browser tab. In the address bar, type monday.com and press enter. When the site loads, click Login and enter your credentials to access your account. Keep this tab open as well. Having both tabs ready makes it easy to switch between them as we move through the comparison. Let's start with ClickUp. Return to the ClickUp tab. On the left sidebar, click Home. This area brings together your most important items, giving you a single place to see tasks, recent activity, and what's coming up. It's useful for staying grounded at the start of your day. Now, on that same left sidebar, click Spaces. Spaces are your top-level containers for teams, departments, or major initiatives. They help you separate work logically while still keeping everything under one roof. Open a list within one of your spaces. A list is a focused collection of tasks, often tied to a project or workflow stage. With the list open, look for the plus view button at the top. Click plus view. This is where ClickUp really shines, because you can layer different ways of looking at the same work without duplicating anything. For example, I'll show the list view first. It's a straightforward, spreadsheet-like layout that's great for quick editing, sorting, and scanning details. Now I'll switch to Board. Board gives you columns and cards, Kanban style, perfect for dragging tasks through stages. It's visual and tactile, and many teams love it for sprint planning or ticket triage. Next, I'll bring up Calendar. Calendar organizes tasks by due date, making it easy to plan your week or coordinate deadlines across a team. If you're trying to avoid bottlenecks, this view helps you spot crowded days in an instant. Now let's look at Gantt. Gantt lays out tasks on a timeline with dependencies, so you can see how work overlaps, where the critical path lies, and how a shift in one task affects the rest of the plan. It's especially valuable for larger, phased projects, or any work that needs careful sequencing. Beyond task views, ClickUp offers native tools that extend your workspace. Click Docs to open built-in documentation. Having docs right inside the platform keeps meeting notes, project briefs, and reference materials connected to the tasks they support. Next, click Dashboards. Dashboards pull your key metrics into one place, with widgets for tasks, time tracking, burn down charts, and more, giving you a real-time pulse on progress. Finally, click Goals. Goals let you define measurable targets, break them into smaller objectives, and align them with the tasks already in your lists. It's a powerful way to keep execution tied to outcomes. Now switch over to monday.com in your other tab. On the left sidebar, navigate to Workspaces. Workspaces organize your boards by team, line of business, or theme, helping you keep related work together. Select a workspace that contains the items you want to review. Inside, click a board. Boards are the heart of monday.com, clean, colorful, and highly visual. On this board, I'll start by showing the table view. Table is Monday's classic grid with columns you can tailor for status, assignees, dates, numbers, and more. It's intuitive and quick to read, which helps teams onboard fast. Next, I'll open Gantt. Monday's Gantt shows your items across a timeline, including dependencies, so you can see how tasks stack up and where timelines intersect. It's excellent for planning and communicating schedules. Now, I'll switch to Calendar. Calendar arranges items by date, helping you plan events, deadlines, and milestones at a glance. It's particularly handy for marketing calendars, content schedules, or time-bound projects. Let's click Dashboards. Monday.com's dashboards are highly customizable and designed for visual clarity. You can assemble charts, workload views, numbers, and summaries to quickly understand capacity, progress, and blockers. The emphasis here is on simplicity and at-a-glance storytelling, which many teams find easy to share with stakeholders. With both platforms open and their core views on display, here's the final recommendation to help you choose. Go with ClickUp if you want built-in docs, goals, time tracking, and advanced task features available right where you work. It offers deeper customization, letting you fine-tune fields, statuses, and views for complex workflows. If you're looking for an all-in-one workspace that centralizes planning, documentation, and execution, ClickUp brings those pieces together seamlessly and helps reduce tool sprawl. Choose Monday.com if you prefer a clean, visual, board-based workflow that's easy to adopt and quick to navigate. It provides simpler automation templates that make routine updates and handoffs straightforward without heavy setup. Monday also excels at highly customizable dashboards, giving you polished, visual summaries that are easy to interpret. If your team gravitates toward a visual interface and values clarity and speed over deep configuration, Monday.com is likely the better fit. That's the full walkthrough. Please let us know in the comments what you think of the video and if there's anything we can do to improve it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. It really helps support the channel.